Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to lock your text messages with Face ID or passcode on iPhone. If you want to secure your text messages from public, from random people, this is the best way you can secure it with your Face ID or a passcode. So what you want to do here, this is the home screen of the iPhone. You want to look for the text message icon. As you can see, this is the green text message icon. What you want to do here, I want you to tap and hold the text message icon for just 2 seconds. Tap and hold. Once you tap and hold the text message icon for just 2 seconds, it will bring out this thing for you. Here we have new message. We have this is the shortcut, by the way. We have the new message. We have edit home screen. We have require Face ID, remove app. Because we want to lock this with Face ID or passcode, we are going to tap on require Face ID. Once you tap on require Face ID, you can see require Face ID for messages. Tap on require Face ID again. So once you tap on it, it will be locked successfully. So guys, we have successfully locked or secure our text message successfully on iPhone. Let us now check if this is done correctly. So what you do is just tap on the message. You can see our message is not opened. You can see it is now asking us to input our passcode before we log in. To input our passcode, or we should put our Face ID. By the way, I'm covering my face. If I don't cover my face, this will open because I'm covering my face. That's why. Just to show you this. So you just have to put in your password and or your Face ID, and your text message will be unlocked successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually save or protect your messages from the public. So let's now say you want to remove this. You don't want to lock your messages again. What you can do, the same way you locked it, that's the same way you're going to unlock it. Just tap and hold for like 2 seconds. Just tap and hold the message icon for like 2 seconds, and you're going to see do not, you can see don't require Face ID. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see once you tap on it, Face ID will be removed from it successfully. So next time you will not have to put in the passcode again. So guys, this is how you can actually lock your message and unlock your message on iPhone.